Hello students, you are going to enter a long holiday. So for that we have some summer vacation homework as usual, or you can say that some homework that has to be utilized for your time during this holiday, because there is a holiday begin from the different schools as well as your school. So try to be spare some time for your upcoming holidays homework, because that is essential. You can at least complete two physical chemistry chapter in upcoming days, because when you start learning, when you start a study from the when you resume your study from the month of June, you have to be at least prepared two chapters, and for that I am giving a generally homework. Second chapter solution is going to complete. The second chapter solution is going to complete. I will continuously uploading the videos of the second chapter until unless will not complete. So you have to be first solve all the in-text and exercise questions of both the chapters, all in-text and exercise questions from the both the chapter, because generally in board as well as in a competitions they are asking the questions numerical from the in-text examples and generally in-text and examples. So you have to be solve the in-text and examples question as well as exercise question one by one. All the questions are important, because thinking without thinking without it thinking that that is not much essential, but actually sometime the non-essential question they actually ask. So you have to be prepare all the given question from the book. Find NCERT book, NCERT chemistry book, physical chemistry. The weightage of both these two chapters are actually about 10 marks, and 8 marks in your competition. So at least you have to be prepared two chapters in upcoming holiday days. Other than that, you have to be prepare one flow chart for different formula, whatever the formula you are used in the first chapter and second chapter, whatever the formula you are used, you have to make a one flow chart, because that flow chart when you paste it on your room, your study room, that actually always remind you whenever you enter in the room, when you are living in the room, the chart always remind you what are the different formula are used in the two chapters. So you have to make a good decorative flowchart with a marker or a sketch pen that has to be easily visualized from the distance, and they have to be contain all of formula. That is very easy, and that will be remind you every time what are the formula used in the chapter. You also have to be a draw, because that is actually easy. 15 to 20 pages or sometimes 30 to 40 pages are the notes for one single chapter. This is not easy to revise all 30 to 40 pages every time, so that you have to be make one quick line note for your concepts only concept, a single line concept for any given topic, one concept in a one line, in your own words. And for that you have to make a sketch pen writing for on the same chart paper, and you have to be line by line just take only a quick line note for your concept, whatever the concept you learned you can just write on the chart paper. That also will be easy to revise you, because whenever you want to revise your chapter you can revise in a single screen. You can revise from a single screen. All the learned concept will be summarized in a single page chart paper. That is actually easy. These are for your benefit. First and second chapter if you want to prepare, so this is the easy way. You can take a help of different lectures uploaded previously. So go through the full lecture one time, two time, whatever the time you are required. Just see the concept, just pause if you require the revision, just pause the video and try to learn so many times. And that is the one of the important thing I am using here, because that will be required for your enhancing your actually attitude, your mind. Whatever the medicines, are used during a treatment of COVID-19, you have to be just make a one research project through the online, go through the online, just research on them. Whatever the medicines are used there, you have just make a one project on that. Try to draw a structure of medicines, a chemical structure. Try to write a IUPAC name of the different medicines, because one of the chapters there, chemistry in everyday life, which has a different medicinal use of the different medicines. So try to classify the medicines. So classify on that. First go through the online, research on that project based, that medicines. Just take out these medicines, their structures, their formula, their uses, why you are using in the COVID, and go through the classification of the last chapter of chemistry in everyday life. What are the just group of that medicine in the, according to that chapter, and make a one project paper. Make a one project paper, because that will be very beneficial for your research whenever you going through the chemistry in everyday life. That will be very useful. So students, this is about your summer vacation, and try to enhance your knowledge through the different topics. Whatever the topic is required, try to go the full video lectures, because that is very essential for your purpose. Either you will not be able to learn if you are having some different some problems, technically problem. So try to solve that and go through the full video. Without taking full videos, without seeing full video, will not able to learn the every concept. Both the chapters are important. Okay, so take a screenshot of that and now go through that. Fine, thank you.